Samsung's answer to Apple Vision Pro. Just a day after Apple's WWDC event where they shocked the world by showing off what could be the future of iPhone, aka the Apple Vision Pro headset, Samsung has made their Unpacked event official. And this is where we're gonna know more about Samsung's future Galaxy XR experience. They've actually been telling us about this since the Galaxy S23's Unpacked event, when the trio of geniuses, aka Qualcomm, Samsung, and Google, they all got on stage and told the world that they are working on the next-gen Galaxy XR platform for the big breakthrough in tech that will blur the lines between reality and virtual world. After this, Google confirmed at their I/O event that Samsung XR products will run Android, and they'll officially share more details on this later this year, which means very likely, just like previous Unpacked event, Google will be at this new July Unpacked event for the Galaxy Fold devices, revealing more details about this immersive Android OS exclusively designed for the future Galaxy XR headset or glasses. Of course, Qualcomm will be there as well, as they are building the next generation chips for this whole Samsung XR future. Especially now after what Apple has done with the Vision Pro at WWDC, the AR/VR space is gonna heat up pretty quickly as Samsung, Google, and Qualcomm steps up the game as well. Now, what can you expect? Well, there will likely not gonna be any physical products for Samsung regarding their XR future, but likely along with Google, they're going to show off the immersive version of the Android. Especially with Vision Pro now being official and having its full development going on regarding the third-party apps, by the time it comes out officially next year, the Vision App Store will be completely ready. And if Google wants to do the same thing, they have to announce the immersive Android OS experience very soon, perhaps at the Unpacked event, so that we can see the full development for this by the time Samsung finally brings its XR headset, which by the way could be called as Galaxy Glasses, as this was trademarked a few months ago. So the plans are set for the Unpacked event. We're gonna see something exciting regarding Samsung's future XR products. Of course, along with this, we're going to see the official reveal of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to latest news, both of these two devices could finally be the first Samsung folding phones to actually introduce dust resistance along with water resistance at official IP58 rating. Along with the folding devices, we're going to see the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Tab S9 series. All of this will take place officially on July 27th in Samsung's home country, South Korea. This is actually the first time the Unpacked event is taking place in South Korea, so maybe there are some big surprises that Samsung have planned that we don't know about yet. So there we go, Apple will face some big competition very soon. The joint team of Samsung, Qualcomm, and Google will bring something incredible. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.